Exploring the status and navigation bar. Let's talk about the navigation bar and the status bar. The very bottom horizontal bar of Outlook is called the status bar. It tells me the status of where I am currently in Outlook. So the contents are going to change dynamically. For example, I'm in my inbox right now, and if I want to know how many items there are in total in my inbox, I have a total there and 346 items, and I have 14 of those that are unread. And if I scroll a little bit further over, I can see the synchronization status of the current account that I have selected, which is my Mercy email. Right now, I am connected. All folders are up to date, and I am connected to Microsoft Exchange, and everything is syncing nicely. Further over to the right, I'm in what is called the normal view. However, I can change it to something called the reading view. Now, notice that when I click on the reading view, that it'll collapse the folder pane on the left-hand side, and it'll give me a little bit more screen area to work with. I'll switch back to the normal view for now. Finally, all the way over here is the zoom slider. I can change the text zoom of the current email or calendar entry that I'm in so that I can see it more clearly. And you remember that if you click the plus sign, it goes up in increments of 10%. So I can do that, or else, of course, I can slide it. So I'll go ahead and change this back to 100%. So I like it at 100% because it gives me the ability to see things, more clear. So also, just above, right over here, we have what is called our navigation bar. This is how I move back and forth between all aspects of Outlook. Right now I'm in Mail, and that's the one that's colored blue. So I can click on my calendar entry as well. Or I can click on my contacts as well, of which Microsoft calls people. And then I can, the remaining visible icon, it's like my task list. And as we saw earlier, I don't have any tasks at this time flagged in email. Now there's some things that you can't see in this list, and I'll have to set them up as we go through the various lectures. And then when we come back here, you'll be able to see. Another thing that Microsoft offers, they offer what we call peeks. So like, for example, if I click on my calendar, without even going over to the calendar pane, I can kind of take a quick peek of what's going on. As you see, Monday at 9 a.m. I have a meeting, at 10 I have another. Then on Tuesday there's an 11 o'clock, and then there's a 1:30. So that just gives you an overview. And then if I go to my people or my contacts, and then like a shortcut, if I want to click on Chris, and maybe I want to shoot him a quick email, I just click on the email content, and there I can go ahead and send him an email right here from the contacts folder. So that's a quick overview of Microsoft Outlook and how you can explore the status bar and the navigation bar.